Oh my God. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be fine. You're fine. You're fine. It's okay. I'm gonna call the police right now. It's totally fine. Hold on. Oh my God. Okay. Hold on. I have to call 911, right? Hello? Hi. Yeah. I'm here. I'm at 600 Main Street in Johnston. I have somebody here. They fell. She's got autism. I don't know what to do. Can you send somebody, please? She fell. I don't think she hit her head. I don't know. I think she fell on her arm. It's fine. You're fine. Hi, you're fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. If you can send someone right away, please, please, please. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Okay. Okay. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Okay. They're coming. They're on their way. They're on their way. Okay.
General Hospital. This is Medic 5, currently inbound to your facility, ETA of about 10 minutes.
Hey, sweetie, we're just going to check your blood pressure, okay? How are you feeling? Is your head hurting?
No.
Can you hear me okay? Is your head hurting? Can you hear me? Corey, she's not here. Hey, sweetheart, we're just trying to find out if you're okay. Does your head hurt?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're
No, maybe she doesn't understand us. I'm thinking we gotta bring her in for an evaluation. Can I have that toy so we can focus? Thank you. Okay, hold on. We need to put her on the stretcher.
Maria, it's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna call 911, okay? I just wanna make sure you're okay. Hi. Yes, hi. I'm a personal care attendant. I'm here at 600 Main Street in Johnston, and my client fell. I don't think she hit her head. I think she jammed her arm. She's autistic. Can you send somebody to check her out? I can't get her up. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, absolutely. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay, Maria, they're on their way. Someone's coming to help you. We'll be right there.
Dispatch told me that our patient, Maria, is autistic.
Yeah.
That's why we chose to come with our lights and sirens off.
Oh, thank you. I didn't even think to say anything. Thank you.
Can you tell me before I approach how Maria best communicates?
Yeah, so Maria, I'm just going to tell them she communicates using visuals. She has an iPad too, and it broke this morning. We don't have any of them, so I'm not really sure what to do.
All right. Hi Maria, I'm Corey. I'm going to help take care of you. It's nice to meet you. Can you tell me where it hurts? Okay, let's try something different. Does your head hurt? No. Does your leg hurt? No. Does your arm hurt? No. Did you fall on your arm?
She says yes.
Some autistic people are not responsive to pain. So our arm may still be injured even if it's not hurting. Maria, I'm noticing that you are not moving your arm. I think you may have hurt it. I'm gonna take you with Ariana in the ambulance to go to the hospital so they can check on it. Maria, can I have that toy? No, let her keep it. It helps her. We can work around it. Maria, we're gonna use the countdown and then we're gonna get on the stretcher, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, Maria, we're gonna help you on it now. Can you help me with some of the buckles when we get you there? All right, here we go, Maria. Ariana, if you want to join us, you can get right up in the rescue of the handle here. Watch your step. You can have a seat right next to Maria on the bench.
We're going.